What's going on, guys? Fully here from Custom Offsets. If you haven't seen, we're doing another giveaway. It should be no surprise to you this time, but we did switch it up a little bit. So first things first, let's go over the prizes. 22-inch, up to 22-inch hostile wheels, including their entire Forge lineup, so that's pretty awesome. Any width that you want. And then we've got Nitto hooking it up with the tires and SuperLift with the lift kit. So pretty much everything you need to take a stock truck and turn it into something completely awesome. If you want to get entered to win, this is the part where we switched it up. So this time we dropped a whole collection of new merch. You can find it on the website, customoffsets.com/giveaway, or click the link in the description. And every $5 you spend is going to automatically get you one entry into the giveaway. So there's options to get, anywhere from like 4 entries, or if there are a whole bunch, like 22, and we'll even toss in a free sticker and all that kind of stuff too. All the details are on the website. Just click the link if you want to get it. So this is the windbreaker. This is something that we've never done before. I really like this one. It's actually like a shadow camo. So this is like a black and gray camo, which is super dope. And on the back it says driven by fashion. And yeah, it's just really sweet. So if you want to check it out, grab it on the website. Also at the end of this, we're going to be making a contribution to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. I think pretty much everybody knows what those guys do. So we're super excited to be teamed up with them, hopefully make a large donation to them at the end of this, and we wouldn't be able to do any of this without your support, so thank you guys if you've already grabbed one. I know these things are kind of flying off the shelf, so if you want to get something, you got to do it now. The contest ends April 13th. That's going to be the very last day you can get entered, and then the following day, on the 14th, we'll be live at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time on Facebook and YouTube to announce the winner of the entire package, as well as a whole bunch of other small stuff. So come on out, check it out, customoffsets.com/giveaway. Peace.